If Canva is showing an error occurred while saving, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to work without losing your design. This is a common issue, and in most cases it's caused by a temporary browser problem, a weak internet connection, a corrupted session, or even an extension interfering with Canva's saving process. So stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it the easy way. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. On Windows, just press Ctrl and R on your keyboard. This reloads Canva and clears out a lot of temporary glitches that may be stopping your file from saving properly. Sometimes that alone is enough to fix the issue instantly, especially if Canva just froze or lost connection for a moment. If the error is still there after refreshing, the next thing to check is your internet speed. Canva relies on a stable connection, so if your Wi-Fi is slow or unstable, the save process may fail. Open a new tab, search for speed test, and run a quick internet speed test. If your connection looks weak, try switching networks, restarting your router, or moving closer to your Wi-Fi source. A lot of saving issues come down to a connection problem rather than Canva itself. Now, if your internet is fine and the error still appears, try duplicating the design. In Canva, go to File, then choose Make a Copy. This creates a fresh version of your design, which can help if the original file has become buggy or stuck. After the copy is made, try saving again in the new version. This is a great workaround when one design is acting up, but the rest of Canva is working normally. If that still doesn't solve it, the next fix is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Canva loading and saving correctly. To do this in most browsers, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, then clear the data. After that, reload Canva and try saving your design again. This step can make a big difference, especially if Canva has been failing to save for a while. Another very important step is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers. Some extensions block scripts or features that Canva needs in order to function properly. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions one by one. Once they're disabled, go back to Canva and test the save function again. If it starts working, then you've found the cause. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the problem. Refreshing the page, checking your internet, making a copy of the design, clearing browser cache, and disabling extensions are the most effective first steps when Canva says an error occurred saving. If you want a final tip, also make sure Canva's SAL is not having a temporary outage and that your browser is updated, because an outdated browser can sometimes create issues too. Hopefully one of these methods got your design saving again. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.